Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the session. In this session, we will generally cover Kingdom Monera. In the previous session, we have covered the basic introduction of biological classification. So let's start the session. In Kingdom Monera, it was coined by the scientist Ernst Haeckel. In Kingdom Monera, bacteria are the sole members of Kingdom Monera. They are the most abundant microorganisms which are found almost everywhere. Here's a term, they are cosmopolitan, which means they are found almost everywhere. They can be found in living in extreme habitats such as hot springs, deserts, snow, deep oceans, and many more. They can be classified under different shapes, starting with spherical, coccus, then rod-shaped bacillus, then comma-shaped vivrium, then spiral-shaped spirillum. Now, this is a very important statement or line. Though bacterial structure is very simple, they are very complex in behavior. This is a very important line. Can be asked as a statement based by overchanging this one. And now, compared to many organisms, bacteria as a group show the most extensive metabolic diversity. We can understand this by that bacteria are very different in nature. They can live in very different habitats, starting from very cold climate to very harsh habitats, starting from anywhere in your house to thermovents which temperature is very high. There are very different types of bacteria. One is autotrophic. They show various natures such as autotrophic, heterotrophic, chemosynthetic. So this statement means this only. They show most extensive metabolic diversity. Like some of the bacteria are autotrophic, they synthesize their own food from inorganic substrates. They may be photosynthetic autotrophic, chemosynthetic autotrophic. But the majority vast bacteria are heterotrophs. They depend on other organisms or dead organic matter. Very important point. Now we come to archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are special since they live in the most harsh habitats. There are three types. One is halophiles, which live in extreme salty area. Second one is thermoacidophiles, which live in very high temperatures around 80 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius in hot springs. Third one is methanogens, which can be found in ruminants of cow and in biogas plants. There's another point. Halophiles are facultative anaerobes, which means that in presence of oxygen they can do aerobic respiration, and if the oxygen is absent they can do anaerobic respiration, which generally means fermentation. This is an important point. Now we come to eubacteria. Eubacteria generally means true bacteria. They have cell wall made up of peptidoglycans, which consist of N-acetyl glutamic acid and N-acetyl muramic acid. This is a composition of peptidoglycans. They are characteristic, important point, by rigid cell wall. They are motile. They can mobile, easy to move. They have because they have flagellum. They are motile. The cyanobacteria, also referred to as blue-green algae, they have a common features with the green plants that they both contains chlorophyll A, which is a cheap pigment. The cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. They are freshwater or marine or terrestrial. These colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous sheath. The cyanobacteria often forms blooms in polluted water bodies. Some of these can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called heterocyst, which is found in nostoc. This one is an example. Diagram is given. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, ammonia, and use the released energy for their ATP production. They play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and sulfur. As we know that heterotrophic bacteria are the most abundant in bacteria, there are various examples such as lactobacillus, which is used to make curd. It's given in microbes in class 12th. There are very special, they acts as disease causing microbes. They also provides vitamin B12 and many more. The majority are important decomposers. Many of them play an important significant role in human affairs. They are helpful, as I have told you. Production of antibiotic Penicillium notanum, fixing nitrogen in legume. Some of pathogens are causing damage to human beings, crops, farms, and pets. These are the various disease that is caused by bacteria. This one, citrus canker, especially occurs in plants. A question can be asked that which of the following diseases occur in plants? Bacteria reproduce mainly by fission. Sometimes under unfavorable condition they produce spore. Important line can be asked as a statement based in MCQ. They also reproduce by sort of sexual reproduction by adopting a primitive type of DNA transfer from one bacterium to other. Uh, Mycoplasma are the organism that completely lacks cell wall. For a kind information, mycoplasma is generally referred to the jokers of the plant kingdom. Mycoplasma, or it can be referred to as PPLO, pleuropneumonia like substances, very small in size. They are the smallest living cells known and can survive without oxygen. This is a very important point. Many mycoplasma are pathogenic in animals and plants. They are prokaryote and have a linear DNA. This one is a very important point. They have linear DNA. So for now, kingdom monera is over. So in upcoming videos we will be continuing with kingdom protista. So for now, thank you.